Abasaheb Kakade Group of Institute is known for its quality education in the southern part of Ahmednagar district. Comrade Abasaheb Kakade was inspired by the work of Mahatma Phule, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and Sant Gadge Baba. He has started a class for the students of the depressed society and slums in the Maliwada lanes at Ahmednagar city. This move has laid a foundation for the institute named the Friends of the Depressed League. In 1955, Comrade Abasaheb Kakade has started a boarding in his own house at Shevgaon. In course of time, Comrade Abasaheb Kakade has established many boardings, residential schools, high schools in Shevgaon, Ahmednagar, Karjat and Pathurdi Tahsil. Now, Kakade Group of Institute has 14 boardings, 10 high schools, 3 residential schools, 2 primary schools, 5 junior colleges, 1 CBSE English medium school, High-Tech Computer Institute, Information and Technology Center for Distance Education, Bachelor of Pharmacy, D-Pharmacy, B.Ed, D.Ed, and this late Abasaheb Kakade Arts College, Bodhegaon. Mrs. Nirmalatai Kakade becomes the backbone of this mission. Bodhegaon, and especially eastern part of Shevgaon, is drought-prone area, known for the sugarcane cutters and the nomadics. To change the living standards and to bring them into the mainstream of society, Comrade Abasaheb Kakade used education as his tool. Therefore, Honorable Advocate Vidyadarji Kakade has started late Abasaheb Kakade Arts College on 27 September 1997 to fulfill the dreams of Comrade Abasaheb Kakade. In order to provide an opportunity for the career in science and technology, Institute has taken an initiative to start BSc in 2014 and 15 and BCA in 2016 and 17. Being an affiliated institute, Higher Educational Institute implements the syllabuses prescribed by Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. Along with curricular activities, Institute is committed to imbibe the values like national integrity, secularism, love, scientific attitude, and dignity of labor through national service schemes. In order to empower girls, Institute organizes women empowerment programs such as Nirbhay Kanya Abhiyan, My Mother in My College, Girls Personal Development Program, Health, Diet for Women, Self-Defense and Prevention of Sexual Harassment, etc. This higher education institute supports the students from weaker sections of the society through Earn and Learn scheme, special guidance scheme, competitive examination and guidance, disaster management workshop, adult education and extension, and awareness programs on various issues. To develop the soft skills, Institute runs soft skill development program for 10 days once in a year. Institute also organizes state level seminars on different topics to inculcate research culture and to share information and recent trends on the topic. Advocate Vidyadarji Kakade always tend to create various infrastructural and IT facilities on the campus. Today, Institute has a seminar hall, LCD projectors, television set, 2 computer labs, administrative section, internet and LAN facility, gymnastic equipments and sports facilities. Higher Educational Institute also organizes cultural programs like Wall Magazine, Annual Magazine, oratory competitions, gatherings to provide a stage as per the interest and the skills of the student. Higher Educational Institute also took an initiative to address and understood the social issues such as lime donation, blood donation, cleanliness, voter awareness, open defecation free village, surveys and many other programs under the supportive leadership of Principal Dr. M.K. Fasle. We are looking ahead under the leadership of Mrs. Harshadatai Kakade to provide modern educational facilities and to mainstream the women laborers who are socially and economically depressed. As Robert Frost said, "These woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep."